Hold your coffee for just a second. If you're over 60, there's a strong chance your morning routine is quietly draining the very strength you're trying to preserve. It sounds dramatic, but stay with me. Think about the last few years. Are jars harder to open, stairs a little taller, and your arms a bit smaller than you remember? Now imagine turning that same cup of coffee into a simple daily strength brew that supports your muscles, protects your joints, and keeps you independent. In the next minutes, I'll show you 8 smart add-ins that can flip coffee from neutral or even unhelpful into a powerful ally for aging well. The first one is the ingredient almost nobody uses, yet it can be a game changer. A major university study linked it to impressive gains in strength over just a few weeks. We'll get there. Drop your age in the comments if you're part of our 60-plus crew and tell me if you're sipping coffee right now. Give your bicep a gentle flex. Notice anything different from a few years ago? You're not imagining it. Aging naturally pushes muscle toward withdraw mode. Our goal is to put it back in deposit mode. Ready to learn how your coffee can help? Look at your hands. Make a fist and hold it for 10 seconds. If that felt shaky, weak, or uncomfortable, don't panic. Use it as data. Grip strength is a window into overall muscle function and independence. A weak grip doesn't mean you can't improve. It means your plan starts now. Most people lose meaningful muscle each decade after midlife. That's not vanity. That's balance, stamina, and the ability to live on your terms. Age-related muscle loss accelerates if your body doesn't get the raw materials to repair what daily life breaks down. The answer isn't only more protein. Your muscles also need circulation support, anti-inflammatory helpers, and targeted amino acids, especially in the morning when you're coming off an overnight fast. So how do we transform coffee into a gentle daily muscle support system? Let's build it step by step. Start with Ceylon cinnamon. A half teaspoon in your coffee can help smooth midday energy dips. Keeping blood sugar steadier reduces the urge for your body to break down muscle for quick fuel. Choose Ceylon, stir it in, or sprinkle in froth. If your energy often crashes after lunch, comment steady. And pay attention to how you feel over the next week. Add unsweetened cocoa powder. 1 tablespoon turns coffee into a circulation ally. Cocoa's natural flavonoids help blood vessels relax, so oxygen and nutrients reach your working muscles. Many people describe their legs as feeling less heavy during walks after a few weeks. Stir a tablespoon into hot coffee for a mocha-like depth without sugar. If your legs feel heavy, try this for 2 weeks and comment lighter legs. Consider MCT oil or coconut oil. A small amount of fat can steady energy. NCTs provide ketone fuel your muscles and brain can use efficiently, without the spikes and crashes some people get from carbs alone. Start with half a teaspoon, blend or froth until creamy, and work up slowly to avoid digestive upset. If you get shaky between meals, say no more shakes and see if this change helps. Don't skip milk or fortified soy milk. Your muscles wake up protein hungry. If your coffee is black, you're missing a prime opportunity. Adding half a cup of milk or fortified soy delivers 4 to 8 grams of complete protein. Dairy milk brings protein and helpful fats. Fortified soy is a strong plant option. Almond, oat, and rice are great drinks, but they're low in protein. If your sleeves look looser than before, say protein, and make your coffee own its keep. Layer in collagen powder. Collagen is scaffolding for tendons, ligaments, and connective tissue, the hardware that lets muscles transfer force. Production declines with age. A scoop of unflavored collagen melts into hot coffee and supplies the specific amino acids your tissues crave. Use 1 scoop and stir or froth. If stiffness slows you down, say joints, and notice how you feel when collagen teams up with gentle movement. Bring in whey protein isolate. After 60, muscles become hard of hearing to protein signals. Whey isolate is rich in leucine, the amino acid that flips the muscle-building switch back on. Adding a scoop to morning coffee can turn breakfast into a restorative window. Mix 1 scoop into hot coffee. A handheld frother helps. If you're sensitive to dairy, try hydrolyzed isolate or take it later with a small snack. When carrying groceries gets easier after a few weeks, come back and comment stronger. Use ground chia seed. Whole chia often passes through intact. Grind it to unlock plant protein, omega-3s, and soluble fiber that support blood sugar, digestion, and calm all-day energy. Pulse the seeds in a grinder and store the powder in the fridge. Add a teaspoon to coffee daily and increase to 2 if you like the texture. If digestion or energy feels uneven, say smooth sailing. Finish with turmeric plus black pepper. Turmeric's star compound needs help to be absorbed, and a pinch of black pepper can raise uptake dramatically. Quiet, ongoing inflammation is a top saboteur of muscle repair and joint comfort as we age. Supporting a calmer internal environment helps your body build instead of break down. Some research suggests benefits for neuromuscular function and coordination. Start with a 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of pepper in hot coffee. If the taste is earthy, balance it with a dash of cinnamon or a touch of honey. If you're adding this today, comment golden. Here's a simple ramp-up plan. In weeks 1 and 2, start with cinnamon, milk, or fortified soy, and turmeric with black pepper. This trio supports steady energy, morning protein, and recovery. In weeks 3 and 4, add a scoop of collagen for connective tissue support. In weeks 5 and 6, choose a targeted boost based on your goal: cocoa for better circulation and lighter walks, or MCT oil for steadier mid-morning focus. When you're ready for the full-strength brew, blend hot coffee with cinnamon, cocoa, MCT oil, milk or fortified soy, collagen, whey isolate, ground chia, and turmeric with black pepper. Froth until creamy. Think of it as a nutritious mocha latte that supports muscle repair, joints, and steady energy. Have it first thing, then wait about 30 minutes before eating to help your body absorb and use what you've given it. Real stories can help you picture the change. Margaret, 72, went from bracing her back for the laundry basket to breezing through household tasks after making the beginner brew daily. Robert, 78, had hands too shaky for woodworking. Then 2 months of the circulation plus protein combo had him back in the shop crafting gifts for grandchildren. Helen, 67, felt her sleeves getting looser. The whey and collagen pairing helped her upper body strength return, and she carried groceries in 1 trip again. Frank, 81, thought independence was behind him. Months of the full routine plus light walking helped him trade the walker for steady, purposeful steps. Tell me which story feels closest to home by commenting their name. This video is educational and not personal medical advice. If you take medications or have health conditions, talk with your clinician before adding ingredients like turmeric, cinnamon, or MCT oil. Start small, add 1 change at a time, and stop anything that doesn't sit well. Tonight, place cinnamon, turmeric, black pepper, and your milk or soy next to the coffee maker. Tomorrow, make the beginner brew. Leave a note that says, stir, sip, strengthen. Take a 10-minute walk before lunch. Movement plus nutrition is where the change happens. Comment day 1 when you try it. I read every comment and often reply. If this helped, subscribe and share to help others.